Tips for good gut health. Do you know your body has approximately 40 trillion bacteria and most of them are in your intestines? As a group, they are known as gut microbiota. Although most of them are essential for your health, some can contribute to several diseases. Tip 1. Try a wide variety of whole foods. The different species of bacteria in your intestines each play a different role and they require different nutrients for their growth. The more diverse the microbiota, the healthier your body is, and that is why experts recommend eating a variety of whole foods to keep all the bacteria species healthy. In some parts of the world, people only eat food that is rich in sugars and fat. Ideally, you should give yourself a variety of food, whole foods, excluding processed sugars and processed fats. Eat seasonal veggies and fruits to make sure you're meeting your daily requirement, your daily nutritional requirement. Tip 2, eat plenty of legumes, beans, fruits, and vegetables. Vegetables and fruits are the best nutrient sources for healthy microbiota. These can improve your gut bacteria as they digest the fiber from the fruits and vegetables and in turn stimulate their growth. Some of the foods that you can try are artichokes, cabbage, raspberries, broccoli, green peas, collard greens, lentils, chickpeas, whole grains and beans, including pinto, white kidney. A study found that including these foods can prevent the development of some disease-causing bacteria. Now, additionally, you can also have pistachios, almonds, blueberries, apples. These increase bifidobacteria that can prevent intestinal inflammation and improve gut health. So, tip 3, avoid artificial sweeteners. Yes, artificial sweeteners are acceptable at several levels. Not acceptable. First, they don't allow healthy functioning of the bacteria in your body. Secondly, they impair to a certain degree insulin response. And third, they do increase blood sugars. These elements increase the Enterobacteriaceae and Clostridium in your intestines. Both of them are contributors to various types of gut diseases when they are present in high quantities. Tip 3, eat prebiotic foods. Prebiotic foods impair the growth of essential microbes in your gut. These are usually complex carbs or fiber that humans are unable to digest. Instead of a few species of bacteria breaks them down and use them as fuel. To promote their health, resistant starch is one of the best prebiotic foods around. The small intestine refuses to digest them, and so they slowly move to the large intestines where the microbiota breaks them down. Apart from improving gut bacteria, prebiotic foods also reduce the risk of several various diseases associated with different health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Tip 4, eat fermented food. Foods altered by microbes are known as fermented food. This is one of the 5 tips to improve your gut bacteria that you can't resist because it contains some of the most delicious items you can add to your diet. Regularly eating fermented foods supply the gut with a wide range of health-promoting bacteria. The fermenting process involves yeast or bacteria, converting sugars in the food to alcohol or organic acids. Some of these foods that you should include in your diet are kimchi, kombucha, yogurt such as bioki or kefir, both dairy and non-dairy, buttermilk, sourdough bread, pickled ginger, cucumber, sauerkraut, soy-based tempeh and miso, and some selected wines and vinegar. Most of these foods contain high quantities of lactobacilli, a bacteria that improves your health. Try having a cup of natural kefir is great, both after lunch and dinner. This will keep Enterobacteriaceae away, a bacteria that often causes several chronic diseases and inflammation. If your bowel movement is not doing well for a prolonged period of time, you can follow these 5 tips to improve your gut bacteria. You might be surprised that boosting your gut health is easy as making a few lifestyle changes. So if you're interested, contact me. Thanks.